Ricky from Oak Point, Texas, has a question about a shower pan.
Well, he's changing his. Do you need some help with what he found when they uncovered it?
Okay.
Okay. Ricky writes, a cracked shower pan led me to replace the entire unit with another prefab shower. After removing the pan and all the old fiberglass walls, I noticed water had reached the bottom plates of my walls. The wood feels fine, but is black, and the concrete floor was in bad shape, as you can see here.
Oh, my.
Yeah, it's a marvel that shower stood.
That's why it cracked, because he had a hole under it.
Right,
So
exactly.
the weight broke it.
Well, obviously, it didn't support the original shower pan, and it isn't even level. So, Tom Ricky wants to know, should he clean the wood with bleach and re-pour concrete there?
Well, you're definitely going to have to re-pour that floor and just fill it up and smooth it out, because if you're using another prefab, what you're going to do is set it in a mud set so it always has a nice hard surface under there so it doesn't flex and end up cracking again. As far as the wood goes, if it's still structurally fine, I would not use bleach. Bleach eats wood away.
Oh.
So you got to be careful with that. I would use the Consan products or something of that nature, some of the mildicides out there that we used after Hurricane Harvey.
You can get those at hardware stores or the home centers.
And I would also spray that wood when you're done and it's dry with pigmented shellac before I put it back together.
That'll lock everything in.
If any mold that's in there that survives, it won't be able to breathe with the pigmented shellac, so it'll kill it.
It's
dead.
Okay.
Yes.
It's just like, wow. All right. You got a question? We'll be happy to help you out just like that. All you got to do is visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. You fill it out, you send it in,
Ding.
we'll answer it just like this one.